Video is for educational and documentary purposes only. 18 plus only. Thank you for not deleting me, YouTube. Hey, Rippers 420 here. It's day 27 of Strawberry Cough and Purple Lemonade Autoflower Grow. I told you that we might be doing some training today, and here we go. I didn't do it on camera. I might do this one on camera. We're waiting until we get the Lost Coast plant therapy spray. We're going to spray both of them, but this is the one that I'm worried about the most. I mean, see the holes? There's a leaf down here. Yeah, see, I got a little stake holding it down, bending it over so all the light can penetrate, get to the lower branches, and they can get nice and big. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that and tell you that we had a good Sunday. Praise the Lord. Yep. So everything's still the same, and that's the only change that was made today. So anyways, we'll get back at you in a couple days, and we'll show you hopefully how I bend the plants with a stake, and as it'll take about 4 days for it to totally pop back up where I can bend it again. And so we'll just let it go and do their thing. Okay guys, catch you on the flip side. Hit Rippers 420 out. Day 36, Strawberry Cough Autoflower and Purple Lemonade Autoflower. Today is water day. I haven't been filming very much lately, as you know. But now I'm back up to getting some more filming. Purple Lemonade is in flower. Strawberry Cough, I bent her. I trained her the 25th, which would have been day 33. And I have, for 3 days, I sprayed them with Lost Coast plant therapy, and gave them each about a half a gallon soil drench because they were infested with fungus gnats. And so far I haven't found any new holes that I know of on the leaves. I've defoliated a little bit. Here, let's take you over and we'll show you what we got going on. There's Purple Lemonade. She's in flower. She's been in flower for almost a week now. Yeah, she'll be in a flower a week tomorrow. And then here's Strawberry Cough. Purple Lemonade didn't really go into flower until a few days after I bent her. So it could have been stress, or it could have been just time, because she went in the flower after about week 4. So, but yeah, that's how they're doing. and I'll probably bend her again, I think tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. I might have to go to the hardware store, go to Ace Hardware, and pick up some wire cutters so I can cut some more wire. The wire cutters I had broke. So, anyways, today is water day, and we're adding, here, let's move this up a little bit more. We're going to be adding some salmon drops, salmon fertilizer that my friend makes. Sorry guys if you don't have a friend or make this stuff yourself. Anytime I need it, I can just ask them, but it doesn't take a whole lot. I haven't used a whole lot of this vial. As you can see, it's still up here. I just use it every so many months or so, depending on how I feel, what I want to try. And then gonna be adding stash blend. This is what I've been talking about. As you can see, it says down here, beneficial bacteria, silicon, silica, seaweed, humic acid, and more. We'll turn on the back, and it has a NPK. The nitrogen is 2. The phosphorus is 1, and the potassium is 5. So this is really good for flower. I mean, it gives it a little nitrogen for the stretching. And purple lemonade, I have top dressed too, and I didn't film that, but when I top dressed purple lemonade, because she was in flower, I gave her 5 tablespoons of 444 all-purpose and 5 tablespoons of 284. That way she'll have some nitrogen and stuff for the stretch, and then she can kick in to the bloom nutrients and have that ready to go. There we go. So let's get to it. We always add the stash blend last. So I'm gonna take this and we're gonna add. Oh, it's not sucking up a whole while. Add 2. Maybe 3 sensor. There we go. And mix it up good. You always want to mix after you add, before you add something else. And this is a teaspoon to a half a teaspoon per gallon. We got 3/4 of a gallon of water, so we're just gonna add a whole teaspoon. This stuff is kind of clumpy, so I've heard new bags are supposed to fix the clumpiness. Is getting moisture in the bag is what it is. So you have to sit here and crush up a lot of the clumps. Okay, there we go. Now give this a good stir. There's still some clumps in there, but they'll dissolve when I pH the water. They seem to always do. Let the water settle a little bit. Then we'll check the pH. I don't like this meter, but it is what it is. I'm gonna order a new AC Infinity pretty soon and just have this for a backup. Keep it in case CL solution, that way it doesn't dry out. Usually, I don't know what the salmon fertilizer, I don't know the pH of it, if it brings the pH up and down, but usually the Stash blend brings your pH down. And it's below, it's reading at almost 6, so I'm going to go ahead and pH it up. I'm going to pause the camera while we do this, save some storage, and not bore you with doing this. I could always use a fast forward on my editing, but I never really figured that out on my editing program, so I'm not that tech savvy. So anyways guys, hold on, we're going to pause the video. Okay guys, we're back. Yeah, I don't need to turn off. You can see what I'm doing without turning off the humidifier. But anyways, we're done pHing. We got the water all in the spray pump sprayer. We're gonna start off with purple lemonade. Just water in slowly. That's what I do. Take my time. Flood the soil. And then leave it for about 10 minutes. As you can see, there's water coming out already. But leave it for 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and the pot will suck it back up. So we're going to pause the video as we wait for those 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay guys, hold on. Okay, we're back. And this is water number 2. And how I determine when to water is how many days I watered last, and then I watch them, and when they start to droop down like this, I know it's time to water. I also have a moisture meter that I put in the soil that I check with every once in a while, but those things aren't totally accurate sometimes. So okay, that was watering number 2. Gonna pause the video and come back for watering number 3. Watering number 3. Yes, it's kind of long and annoying watering this way, but this is how I know my plants get plenty of water and not a bunch of the nutrients and water escape out the bottom. And we're not going to do watering number 4. We're just going to finish this up with watering number 3. And there's the done sound. So now we gotta rinse out this pump sprayer, and then I'll be done. As for you guys, well, you're pretty much done. Humidifier is still on 60. Oscillating fan is still on 2. PPFD, but I ain't too sure. I haven't checked it. I've just turned the knob back up to where it was after spraying, because when I sprayed I had the lights out for a bit so that way the leaves don't get burned. We're sitting at 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Just turned that. Humidity is at 59-60% now. Exhaust fan is set at 7. And today, like I said, is day 36. I didn't start the days over for the flowering one. I just kept them the same and keeping the week the same. I gotta look it back up of when they should be done flowering. I use a electronic microscope, digital microscope, to look at the trichomes too. But some autoflowers, they don't change color. Their trichomes don't change color. So you just pretty much have to go by the days and the weeks of when they should be done. Anyways, guys, that's all. I'll catch you on the flip side. Hit Rippers 420 out.